Shaka's Aloha Crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Oh my gosh, it has been a while. I've been a little busy. Little busy. I've been to the expo that's here in Arizona, so I'm have some of those videos coming up, the classes I took, the shopping I did, the make and takes that I made, as well as I have a virtual card making event coming up next weekend, and it's called Crop and Create. So I'll be sharing some of that with you as well. Look for some of that. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Maka. I'm a crafter here in Mesa, Arizona, and I do all kinds of paper crafts, painting, all kinds of stuff, but mainly here on my channel I do share card making and some other things. I love to enjoy our Arizona weather. I love nature, so I do go camping a lot. That kind of interferes with my crafting. So welcome. I did participate in a card swap at the expo. I usually do. It's called Swapping with Dave, and there are 20 people in the class, so you make 20 cards, actually 21, so Dave can have one. And he shares that on the Scrap Expo's webpage as well as his webpage. But so I'll just show you. This is the cards that I made. I made them in different colors, so I'll have a tutorial about these. But I just wanted to check in real quick to let you know, yeah, I'm okay. This is my normal. I just haven't been inspired, and usually that's what it is I stop crafting because I'm not inspired, and because of these holidays coming up, I'm extra excited. And usually once I go to expo, it kicks me into gear, and you know, I get rejuvenated on my inspiration. But so I just, like I said, wanted to check in. Hope you guys are having a crafty day, and for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.